Hey guys, it's me Akib, come back with another video. In this video, I'll be doing a review on my Mi Band 3, which will be a 30-day experience because I've used it, and I use this all day, especially when I'm going out and stuff. This has some interesting features like tracking, steps tracking, and heart rate sensor, and it also automatically calculates the meters, how much you have walked, and some other interesting features like you can find your device if you have walked inside the house instead of searching it. And there are other features like you can set alarms, and you can read your messages, you can decline your calls. And also I have made another 2 extra videos on this. I'll just put the link in the description for those 2 videos. Please go check that also. And those videos are about one is about how to remove the Mi Band device from its strap, because it's not like the Mi Band 2. The Mi Band 3's strap is more stronger, so Xiaomi has made it more stronger, so the Mi Band 3 device won't fall from out of the hand. So it's not like the Mi Band 2. So please go make sure that you check out that video also. The other video is about how I have pasted a safety glass for this, I mean it's tempered, so you can check out that also. So how to paste it and all, due to the curve, edges and stuff, you can buy it on eBay. And this has more interesting features and some other features also, such as it has the app in iOS and Android called Mi Fit app. So if you guys want really to know more about that app, just give me a comment, just do a comment below, so I will check into it and try to make as soon as possible. And if you want more on the Mi Band, like some other features or stuff, or like any other videos or explanation stuff, and any other tips and tricks or hacks like thingy, just put a comment below and I'll look into it and I'll try my best to do it for you. And that's it guys, so please make sure you subscribe, like and comment. See you guys in the next video.